So we recently tested the Bissell Spotclean Pro portable carpet cleaner with its main competitors, and the Bissell Spotclean Pro won that competition. This video will be our individual review of the Bissell Spotclean Pro, links in the description for prices and reviews, and let's get started. As far as operation, you simply lift up the clean water tank and fill it with hot tap water, and a small amount of the cleaning solution that is included. You replace the tank, plug it up, and you're ready to clean. The trigger on the bottom of the handle sprays water on the area you want to clean. After it's wet, you can begin vacuuming, spraying more solution as you vacuum. We started with a stain removal test. The stains included transmission fluid, grape juice, a yellow food coloring mix, coffee, and a ketchup and mustard mix. I let the stains dry for about 5 hours. While all the spot cleaners in this test did well, the Bissell Spotclean Pro did better. I was not at all expecting it to completely clean the stains, but it actually did. Though I should mention that it took 2 tanks to complete this particularly heavy task. Of all the spot cleaners we tested, the Bissell was also the easiest to use. The wand and hose seemed to be designed well, and it was noticeably easier to vacuum with. Also, the construction of all the components seemed very sturdy. It comes with 2 interchangeable brushes. The smaller one is meant for furniture or car upholstery, and the larger one is meant for carpets or rugs. The tank was the easiest of all 3 to fill up in a small sink, as it perfectly fit under the faucet. We also tested the airflow of the Bissell Spotclean Pro and found it to be very powerful. More powerful, in fact, than the Rug Doctor, which advertises 2 times more suction than the leading spot cleaners. The only negatives I noticed was that the dirty water tank has a design that I wasn't thrilled with. I suppose it's to prevent spills, but you have to turn it upside down a few times to completely clear out the water, and it seems unnecessarily difficult. And I think that the Bissell Spotclean Pro is probably the best portable carpet cleaner on the market, or at least of the ones that I know about. Links in the description, and consider a like or a subscription if this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.